Okay, today we're gonna make some collard greens, but at first we have some water boiling in the pan, and I have some smoked turkey legs here, and I'm gonna put them in this boiling water until they cook all the way through. And the flavor of the water is what we're gonna use to flavor our collard greens. So I'm gonna put a lid on this and let it cook all the way through, and then once that's done, we'll put our collard greens in. Alright, it's been about 40 minutes. The meat's cooked all the way through, and the broth tastes pretty good. The water tastes pretty good. You taste it and see if it needs anything added, but it's fine because I didn't add too much. Water to it, so the water was able to gather all the flavor. So now I'm going to remove this and put in the collard greens. Alright, I got some collard greens here. They're already washed and cut. So all I have to do is put them in the water. Okay, I filled the pot up and put the lid on. I'm gonna bring it back to a boil, and then I'm gonna let them simmer until they soften. Okay, I let the collard green simmer for about an hour, and I tasted it, so it tastes okay, but it needs a little more flavor. So I'm gonna add a bouillon cube to it. This type of bouillon cube. And that should give it the flavor it needs to finish it off. And you see my leaves. And that should do it. And I'm gonna take some of my meat and take it off the bone and put it inside here just to add more flavor to it. And that's how you make collard greens.